Welcome to your most favorite channel
Welcome to
Heartbeat.
your most favorite
My name
channel
is Dr.
Heartbeat.
Amrit Kejriwal.
My name is Dr.
As a
Amrit
student,
Kejriwal.
I say
As a
most of
student,
the teaching
I say
will be
most of the
digitalized.
teaching will
Hard
be
copies
digitalized.
of books will become
Hard
obsolete.
copies of
They
books
will
will
be
become
replaced by
obsolete.
soft copies.
They will be replaced by
Lectures
soft
and
copies.
lecture halls
Lectures
will
and
cease
lecture
to be
halls
exist.
will
They
cease
will be
to
substituted
exist.
by videos and
They will
online
be substituted
classes.
by videos and
Practical
online
classes will
classes.
remain in medical
Practical
sciences.
classes will remain
We
in
have to
medical
prepare
sciences.
ourselves
We
for a
have to prepare
revolution in
ourselves
learning and
for a
teaching
revolution
methods
in
in
learning
all
and teaching
disciplines.
methods in all disciplines.
Post COVID care part 2 exercise. So, exercise after discharge it helps in reducing the breathlessness, it improves the muscle strength, it improves balance and coordination, improves the thinking, may reduce stress, and may improve confidence and overall health fitness. So, exercise after discharge should be done, and people will feel much better. The initial part of starting the exercise requires lots of efforts, and a gradual increase in exercise is appreciated. So there's certain prerequisites before you start the exercise. Wear loose, comfortable fitting clothes and shoes. Drink plenty of water. Pre-existing mobility issues are one of the precautions a person has to take. Patient may have visual, auditory, or balance issues, so we have to take care of these problems also. Patient may be on oxygen at home. Do not exercise for 1 hour after taking meals. Avoid exercise in hot climate, and in cold environments, exercise indoors. Avoid exercise if you are feeling nausea or feeling sick, if you are having dizziness, severe shortness of breath, if you are profuse sweating, chest discomfort. So you have to avoid exercise, and if you are increasing pain. So nausea, dizziness, severe shortness of breath, profuse sweating, chest discomfort, and increasing pain, then you avoid the exercise. Various kinds of exercises are there: the warm up exercises, the fitness exercises, the strengthening exercises, and the cool down exercises. So, warm up exercises consist of shoulder shrugs, shoulder rotation, side bends, knee lift, ankle taps, and ankle circles. We'll go one by one through these. So, shoulder shrug warm up exercises can be done in sitting or standing position, may require the support of others, and should last for 5 minutes. So, shoulder shrugs. Elevate your shoulders and then bring them down. So, here you can elevate the shoulders vertically and then you bring them down. Shoulder rotation. Keep arms by your side or relaxing on your laps. So, this can be done on the sitting position also. Move shoulders in a circular direction, both forwards and backwards. So, here the shoulders can be moved in a circular direction, you can see, and you can move them in the backward direction also. So, this will help in the warming up exercise. Side bends. Stand straight, arms by the side of the body. Slide arms the short way towards the floor one at a time. So, here left hand goes down, left shoulder comes down, right shoulder goes towards the neck, and the right hand goes up. Again, vice versa. The right hand comes down, right shoulder comes down, left shoulder comes medially towards the center, and left hand goes up. You can practice this 4 or 5 times or as you want. Especially if you can't do the heavier exercises. For the initial few days, just do the warm up exercises and leave. You can do the knee lifts. Sit comfortably on a chair. Lift your knees up and down. one leg at a time, and feet should not be higher than the hip. So you can lift up the knees and the feet. The feet should not come higher than the hips, and you can bring them down also. Ankle taps, one foot at a time. Tap the ground in front of you with your toes over here, then with the heel. Repeat with the other foot. So these are all the warm-up exercises. And ankle circles, another warm-up exercise. Sit in a comfortable chair, raise one foot, make circles in the air, repeat with other foot. So the foot goes up and then there's a rotation. You make circles, you can make bigger circles. Fitness exercises. So 20 to 30 minutes, 5 days per week. This may not be possible in the immediate post-discharge but can be done later on after you are able to do the warm-up exercises properly. May gradually increase the speed and duration. So these are different types: spot march, step up, walking, jogging and cycling. So spot march, you stand at one spot, lift one knee at a time, repeat with the other leg, and increase the height of knee elevation gradually, and may do indoors. And when frequent rests are required, there is advantage because you're at home. You can always sit on the chair, you may become tired very easily. So you lift up the knees up. Step up. Can use a bottom step of a staircase. May use handrail, step up and step down. So he is there, you can keep both the feet together and then come down. Change legs regularly. And you can increase the speed or you may carry weights accordingly. Walking. So in the initial phase you may require support such as walker, crutches or walking stick. Choose a horizontal surface. Increase the speed, distance. So this all may help you in mobilizing yourself and fitness exercise. And may do outdoors if the condition is acceptable. Cycling and jogging, do only if it is permitted. Do after you are able to walk and maintain balance properly. Advisable only if you are doing pre-COVID. Muscle strengthening exercises. So if you've been in the COVID, especially in the ICU, your muscles must have become very weak and you need some muscle strengthening exercises. It improves the weakened muscles 3 times a week. At least you should do 10 repetitions of each exercise. Breathe in while doing the difficult part and breathe out while making the effort. Arms, you can do the biceps, push up from the wall, arms raise side to side, and legs sit to stand, knee straightening, squats or heel raises. So arms, weightlifting is the first part. Keep arms by the side, keep palms facing forwards, hold a weight in each hand, fold at elbow and lift. So it can be done in sitting or standing position, and if you improve you can increase the weight. So you lift up the hand, see, you can see. Arms wall push off. So stand in front of a wall and place hands at shoulder height, fingers upwards. Feet about 30 cm away from the wall. Keep body straight. Bend your elbows. Reach the wall. And then push away from the wall. So you reach the wall over here. And then push away from the wall. Arms raised to side. So this can again be done in sitting or standing position. Palms are facing inwards. Keep a weight in both the hands, or if you want one hand at a time. Raise arms upwards and then again downwards. But the arms should not go more above the shoulders. So you can see. Legs sitting to standing. So sit on a chair, arms by the side or on the chest, stand up, count up to 3, sit back on the chair. May require support from arms, or you may require a higher chair to stand up, and with gradual improvement you can keep a lower chair. So stands up like this. Leg straightening of the knee. Sit in a chair, straighten one leg at a time, count up to 3, lower the leg. Repeat with the other leg. So here you can lift up one leg, and this will cause improvement, strengthening of the legs. Leg squats. Stand with back on wall, feet away from wall, separated. May require support of chair. Bend your knees downwards, back will slide down. Keep hips higher than the knees. Straighten your knees and repeat. So here you keep the hips down, fold your knees, and again you bring them up. Heel raise. Keep hands on a stable surface. You can keep it on the back side of a chair. Raise the heels so the weight is on toes. Bring the heels back down. You can try with both feet together, or if you want one feet at a time. Repeat. So here you will raise the heels so that you stand on your toes and then bring them down. Cool down exercises. Walk at spot or slower pace. Repeat the warm-up exercises or do the muscle stretching exercise. Monitoring exercise. Speak a sentence, check for breathlessness. Complete sentence, exercise harder. Sentence with 1 or 2 pauses, acceptable level. Sentence if you're saying word by word, you're exercising too hard. Thank you for watching the video. Please do not forget to like the video. Feel free to give comments. Please subscribe to the channel and share the link with your friends. Thank you once again.